The killing and the fighting, the looting and the shooting, tell them they've got to cease. The jealousy and envy, the malice and the grudge, we will overcome. The sufferation and temptation in our nation, separating us from ourselves. I can't take this pain no longer. The killing of the innocent. Mama Africa is crying, Haiti is dying, America's like Iraq City, with terrorists and murderers plaguing the land. How could they be a part of Jah's plan? Restore us, oh Father, have mercy and compassion. We've got to change our ways. Each day I pray, I pray, I pray, and I pray that the sin will go away. We've got to be stronger, stronger. Time for us to unite and stay focused and be wiser. Please stop, commit the crime and get stronger, stronger. It's time for us to unite and believe, believe. No more of this madness can I stand. People unite, unite, fix up your land, eh? Stop and look into yourselves for a while. Know where you're coming from. I can't take this pain no longer. I've got to make a stand. I stand for peace, I stand for justice. I stand for love for all humanity. I stand for freedom and prosperity. Oh, set us free, set us free. Children are dying day by day. Please listen to your heart. Where are the zoos and the parks for the girls and boys? Not even a little toy. We've got to stay together, together one and all. We've got to be stronger, stronger. It's time for us to unite, stay focused and be wiser. You stop, commit the crimes and get stronger, stronger. It's time for us to unite and believe, believe. No, 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 no. No more can I stand. Unite, unite, please unite. Fix up Mother Earth. No, 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 no. No more can I stand. People unite, unite, please unite. Fix up Jah's land.